Alright, now it's recording.
Alright.
Alright, we're recording. Oh,
So don't do anything stupid.
It's fun to say it so why I feel loved by everybody. It's fun to say it so why. Okay, make sure you get a few shots of this. Why just reach out on the field? Alright, what are the teams?
Nate, that looks awful.
Look at this guy just waving his gun in the air. You just touched it?
Okay, Andrew, you take the shotgun.
Yeah, who the teams? What are the teams? And full on.
Nate, I'm not taking the shotgun. You're the one who brought it out here.
Tristan, you get the privilege of the shotgun. It's yours.
I'm laid it down.
You weigh the least. No, you weigh the least of all of us.
Yes.
I barely felt that.
Like you're not supposed to feel. I meant to do that.
Look, there's a scratch on it now.
Oh,
No, there. I didn't. I hit his pant like right here.
How easy with my dude? You're like soaking my MP5.
Okay, I'm ready.
Sweat. Oh my gosh, I'm worried about your
ready.
Okay, Tristan, me and Andrew versus those.
No.
Yes.
Guys, I'm officially ready.
Guys, we're recording. Look at Dylan. Oh my.
It's fun to say it so why.
You know this is going on YouTube.
Right now.
Dylan, this is
Take it
going.
off.
Dylan, this
care
is
what
going
it's
on
for, just take
YouTube.
it off.
What are you doing? I'll shoot you. This
I'm
is.
not gay. I want you to take that off of your belt.
This man knows what he wants.
This man knows what he wants.
Oh God.
Yeah, what?
To put it.
You need it. You only have an MP5.
This example is people who are stupid.
Don't look.
Oh God, I got it.
That's recording.
Yes.
That is totally what she said.
He's gonna cut this entire part
No,
out.
I'm trying to wet. I'm not taking the shotgun.
What are the teams?
I have enough stuff on me.
I'm with Shefferman.
I'm like a mobile.
Tristan, when you put this on YouTube and Facebook, don't cut that part out, alright?
Okay.
We need to embarrass him.
No, cut it out.
Can I hit your helmet? Alright. Let's hope I don't miss.
Dude,
Zach, don't do that.
I do that to my brother, he's like, ow!
Don't do that again, Zach.
Do it, Andrew.
Tristan.
No, God. Tristan, no. We're not starting that again. I need to get this in my belt. What are the teams?
You're the team. Oh my god.
No, I kept hitting my balls. I'm not wearing it.
I am not
For
carrying
God's sakes, guys, what are the teams? Hey, what?
Tristan, Andrew, and me.
No.
Yes.
This is the most unfair teams ever.
You got an M4, kid. What are you complaining of?
No, you have an M60.
Why you guys think that's better than
It's
everything?
not better than the M4. Like, it's really not
It's
that much of a
impossible for him
difference.
to aim down the sights with that unless he's actually stationary.
No, I can aim down the sights with it.
I can't.
It's impossible for
Who
me.
wants to wear the shotgun?
Have Wesley take it.
Look at this kid putting it in his belt. What a...
Wear it around here.
Look at this kid. Look at this kid. Oh, Nate, you read.
So this thing is completely
That
works.
is the funniest mask I've ever seen.
This,
That one? Yeah.
it works. It's just like Zach. Except it covers my nose.
Like
I
mine.
need to work out.
I have a rubber band in my mouth.
West.
Why?
Yeah.
They told me to.
Oh God.
Guys, guess what's pointing at all of us right now?
Ah!
Oh.
Wouldn't that be awesome if it just started firing on its own?
Sentry go.
Yeah.
Guys, Wesley's got the firepower.
There's no ammo in it.
Yes, there is.
No, there isn't, Andrew. I didn't shoot at all.
Oh no. This is the worst airsoft fight ever. Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna start over there. I want to be on Tristan's team. That's all I know.
You three can be on
It should be everybody versus Tristan and Zach.
I want to be on Zach.
I don't like the same. That's not fair.
I do.
You are the two best.
Don't they suck, Tristan?
No, everybody versus Tristan and Zach. They both have the most rapid firing gun.
No.
Try the trigger finger in that on semi.
Okay, how about this? We have 3 teams.
Oh God!
Freaking God! M4.
Chef.
Oh God.
Yeah.
No. Oh God, no. Okay, how about we have 3 teams?
Yeah, we just 3-team. Me and Chef.
Mercenaries, let's have a free-for-all.
No.
God, no.
2-on-2-on-2.
If we're on,
I said, goddamn it, I'm a mercenary. Nobody's with me.
dude.
Move out.
No, I'm with Zach. I'm a merc.
No, I'm a Liam John.
Okay, the 2 mercenaries.
Yeah, we're mercenaries. Yeah. We're gonna die.
I should have left the gas mask behind.
You suck.
Are you gonna lay down suppression fire, or what's your plan?
If I can find a good place to mount this, I'm not mounting it in the snow.
Get a big rock. Really big rock. Hoorah!
Game on. It's game.
No swearing,
Why?
because it's just done by standard. Are they actually playing? Why don't
They
we?
suck.
It's like what?
You said no swearing.
That's not swearing. That's just being suggestive. I'm just through with all this.
I dare you to try to stick that thing in a tree.
Dare me to not.
Why? Bounce back at us.
I keep really nice care of it. Except for the scratch. I don't know where that came from. I think that was Nate. Or Wes. Maybe I missed this.
No, I hit you when you're like in your trench coat.
Yeah, I know. I didn't feel it. This thing's really thick.
You're not supposed to. You have like layers on. I can
My
tell.
fingers are so.
You actually look like you're from World War II, but
Well, I obviously am. I've got 5,000 BBs in here. Just in case.
sweet.
Just in case. I know John.
Game on! This thing's 28 freaking pounds.
Rather shaky. Is that put up the jump right here?
Perfect. Alright, get somewhere else.
How far away do you want me? I go to those trees over there. Zach,
What?
want me at these trees over there?
Yeah. Like far from not too far though.
Careful, lots of bud.
No dumbass. Alright. Tristan, my 12 o'clock. It's game time. Tristan, you're 12. All right. To let you know, Dylan, you're really not sneaky. If I had the range, I'd mess him up. This seems fair. 2 versus 4. It's okay, though. Tristan, flanking us to the left. Get ready. All right. Wesley's up to my... Dylan and Wesley to my 12. All right, I got 2 tangos. Unloading. That was really weird. Made words. Come closer, come on. Alright, I got Dylan flanking us to the right. I got him under control. He's not going to move any closer. Yeah.
You're gonna be on real nice range. Real nice. Like real nice.
Dylan's over here. Dylan's over here giving me trouble, so yep. I think they're moving over. I just saw somebody.
Yeah.
Watch from the left, because if they get us from the left, we're screwed.
Their guns are going.
God, I keep putting my gun down like I think I have a grenade like I'm an RPC. Alright. I'm gonna wait for him to get closer. I can't get through the brush.
Yeah.
This is the problem with woodland.
Hey.
Yeah.
Wanna lay down to this suppression time that way?
There's nobody over there.
They're right there.
Oh, okay, I see them moving. They shouldn't be moving. They're down. Alright.
They're noobs.
Watch, I'm
I
gonna do the head game until he runs out of ammo.
The head game?
Yep,
Oh,
he's gonna
nice.
keep shooting every time I stick my head out. Watch this. Noobs don't know what to do. Watch. He's gonna keep shooting every time I get him sniped. I got.
Really
Hold on, I'm gonna play the head game. I'm sticking my head out. Hold on, I know what to do.
Keep the head on a swivel, Zach. They almost got my helmet.
Oh,
well, I think they did, but nobody needs to know that. I don't see them. Oh, I see them. My 12. Keep their heads down. Alright, Wes is flanking us on the right.
Or he is too? Alright.
Alright, we're gonna get flanked from both sides.
Well, this is stupid. He can't reach that far. His gun goes nowhere. If he comes close, I'm gonna mess him up.
That's probably the crappiest gun I've ever seen.
Yeah, it is.
Besides, of course, hey, where'd Dylan go? Oh, no, no.
Here, Tristan, move. I'm gonna set up. Let me get him. Move, 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 move.
Go.
Thank you.
This is a great action movie shot right here.
Yeah.
I've lost sight of him to the right. I mean left, sorry.
Dylan's right there.
Yeah, okay, now I hear them. They sound like they're right that way. We need to get our back up against something solid.
Shit,
Sorry, my
right.
bad.
Yep.
I twisted my ankle. Really
Ah!
Sprinting to a rock, I stepped on a tree branch and twisted. Alright, you lay me down for
I am so serious. I wish I brought a lighter gun. I'm not even kidding. I hate being in this tight confinement area with snow everywhere with this gun. I wish I never did it.
So, I should probably stay here and watch your flanks, right? Or do you want to lay me down some suppression fire?
Well, this is a great spot for me because there's no snow.
Yeah.
I gotta get my hop turned up. Cover me. Shit.
Where are they? You're 12?
Yep.
Just spray. Oh, shit. Okay, they're flanking us from even farther behind, I think.
Yeah, they got a good plan going on, but it ain't gonna work.
Judging by their voices.
Yep.
You have that hop up on?
Yep.
Great.
Where's Wesley? Keep an eye for Wesley. He's kind of pointless, but...
Yeah, his sweatshirt. Oh, I see him. Off to the right a little bit more.
Really?
Heading through the trees. Yeah, I'm gonna get them on.
Hey, Tristan, watch out to your left. Remember, Dylan's still there. Tango down. You're out. Tristan, that's one down.
I'm thinking we should advance laying down some suppression fire.
You want to fall back? Well, since they're starting to flank us.
No, they're all to our
They're all back there.
yeah, they're all back there, so they flanked us there.
They flanked us, but now we're turning around, so.
They've outflanked us.
should have brought the AK.
Fucking road.
I brought
Does yours
this so.
have a charging handle?
Yeah, it does, but it's flimsy, so I taped it. Duct tape. It's on this side.
Their guns are really accurate.
Their guns?
Yeah.
Yeah, because they're brand new and haven't been used at all.
Mine loses its grouping at about, I don't know, let's say 80 feet. Maybe less.
Yeah.
Spray and pray. Okay, you want to go get up in the tree over there?
Up in the tree? What do you
In
mean?
the tree.
Yeah, not with this. Pistol, maybe.
Yeah, I lost it of blood.
Well, we'll find them. See, they got behind us, and now they're not firing no
Oh, yeah,
more.
I see you. See this tree right in front of us?
Yeah,
It's
Yep.
looks kind of dead.
yeah.
There's a Y in it. I think it just fired you.
They're not very tactical, are they?
No, but there's no range or anything. You can see something moves. Yeah, you see what I was just shooting at?
I saw the brush. Where's Dylan?
Getting it back. See you right now.
These are fogging up so bad.
These don't fog up. Yeah.
Alright, I'm moving in. Sick of sitting here. I gotta do something.
Got your back.
Hey,
Well, I mean, I've got your back. I mean, I'm standing behind you, using it as a human shield.
you got my back, I guess. Hit!
You're hit?
Yeah.
Balls!
Alright, drag me back, drag me back.
What does that mean?
Medic.
How do you do medic here?
Just touch me for 30 seconds. Basically.
No, we're doing medic! No, you haven't hit me yet.
Alright, hold on. I'm gonna drop my gun. Alright, man. Back in!
Ah, hit!
He's lying.
I know I hit him. Oh, damn it. Soaked right through. Oh, he got me
He's
right
lying.
here.
He's lying.
Shefferman, you're definitely hit. That's not true.
How are they not making it through?
Oh, I definitely hit Shefferman.
It's funny how theirs are making it through, but ours aren't.
I know I hit Shefferman. Oh, God, they got me right in the ear.
Alright, you're back in, though.
Yeah.
This thing's so fucking heavy.
Hey, what?
He's waving.
It's like wave. Alright.
He's right.
I think we should probably get cover.
Does he know that they can't reach that far? I'd have to shoot it like
Hey,
a...
come on, let's pay attention. Oh, see muzzle hider. Muzzle, flash hider. Whatever.
Alright, I need to get behind a wide tree.
That one right there. Other side.
Gotcha.
No, you get behind the tree. I got you. Alright, let's go get Wes.
No, he's useless.
Oh, they got me now. Oh, see him. Watch. Right there. Movement. Oh, by the way, I said nice dolphin dive. I saw that. What did
Yeah.
I'm out. Cover me. time, I really wish I had extra mags.
Oh. I can't see anything. My goggles are...
Oh, damn, man. Oh,
Give me, you got any type of melee device? No, something else.
No, I got nothing.
Give me your canteen.
Canteen?
What is that?
A gas mask.
Oh, I thought it was like some kind of like...
I have a grenade.
You know?
Well, not a real or something. Careful.
I can't hold that thing anymore. It's like stupidly heavy.
See Wes moving.
This sucks. I haven't seen Dylan at all.
He went back. Probably forgot where we were. Hey, Andrew! Did you dolphin dive or did you trip? Looks more like you tripped.
What was it, a bad dolphin dive?
Oh, it was really funny. You didn't see it?
No, my goggles are fogged up like crazy.
I see Wes. See him? Turn around.
Thanks for telling me where he is. Noobs. They're just like, hey, Wes.
Yeah, no, and I'm talking to Andrew, so I know we know exactly where Andrew is now.
Yeah. They knew where we were, so it didn't matter.
It's not the AKs, man. Yeah, Dad, you want my sling?
Yes, please.
Oh, they're right on my 10.
All right, gotcha.
Alright, looks like Andrew and Wes.
Gotcha.
I don't know what they're doing. Hey, I think they're refilling.
They are.
I think they're refilling.
What? No, you didn't. I ducked. Hit. Nate, hit! 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 I have nowhere to mount this thing. This sucks. I thought there was going to be more mounting places. Ah, my arms. I said hit! Guys, it's a 1 minute rule and we're back in. No. Guys, 2 versus 4, there's no such thing as a medic. Sorry. Back in. Tango down.
We're playing medic deck.
Dude, it's 2 versus 4. Can't play medic.
Yeah, we are.
2 versus 4? We're being nice to you guys. I have no place to mount this, so my arms are killing me.
Okay. I'm hit. Are we stopped, guys? Yeah, we stopped.
Ah. Dude, my wrists are killing me. You guys are. It's 2 versus 4 guys. We can't play medic.
Yeah, you guys.
I have an M60. I have no place to mount it. My arms are tired. And I'm trying to aim down the sights to get you.
There.
No, I need to bring the M60
think
back
you can
in.
carry the Rabbit 7-4? Yeah, I can handle it. That's it.
I jumped into the water right there. I was like, ah, dolphin diving. This got soaked.
Oh, dude, that was so funny. Your dolphin dive. I thought you tripped.
This is a tough gun though.
And I didn't get hit at all.
Tristan, he tripped.
Oh no, I definitely. I know I made contact.
You never got hit at all.
I can get you some.
I'm positive I made contact.
I didn't get hit.
Hey, go stand over there and see
If I did, I didn't hit. I didn't feel it.
Hey, go stand over there and see if you'll feel something.
Nate, you shot and I literally went like this.
Yeah, I know. I got Zach.
Yeah, because my arms are so tired, Nate.
Oh, you got me in the ear.
I've never again will I bring an M60 to a winter game.
Well, Zach, you just said you revived Tristan.
I did, but then
We have.
that was before we were cornered by four
Zach, you
sides.
didn't medic. You didn't get
Here,
medic.
Andrew, go stand over there.
Let's make 13.
I got
Go
you.
stand over there.
Yeah, all right. Let's make a
I know.
rule. If me and
Dude, that
Tristan
doesn't
are gonna
hurt
be
at all.
by
I don't know
our,
if you even feel it.
Oh yeah, Dylan.
What the
It's
balls?
too
Dylan!
It's just like.
he ran back to get ammo.
I don't want to. I know, dude. It doesn't hurt at all. Zach, that's not that bad.
Well, no,
That
I don't
doesn't
think.
hurt that bad.
I don't think you've been.
You
feeling
shot me.
it.
I
'Cause-
felt it once with him, but that's after I had shot both of you.
I have the FPS limit way down. I don't
No,
know.
I
Need
know.
a screwdriver.
You shot me up the leg, and it stings
What?
now, but it didn't.
I
hurt.
got you.
I keep losing
After
track of
I
you,
shot
Wes.
you when you were over with Tristan, just
We
standing
got
there.
Tristan like 5 times.
You shot
Oh
me
god,
once
yeah,
in the
you
back
got me
of
in
the
the
leg.
ear.
Guys, you guys are like acting like you got me like legitimately. My arms are so tired I can't even aim down my sight.
I told
I'm
you
like
bring the
this.
AK.
Dude, I thought I was gonna
I'm
have
so
places to
thirsty
mount
right
the.
now,
I
I wanna
didn't
go
know it was
drink
gonna be
that
this
water.
snowy. My woods aren't. My house aren't this snowy, but
Yeah,
my yard
I
is.
think we should probably start heading back to the house.
Why?
Just a little bit because we really moved. This
No,
way.
it's not. It's like right that way. It's not that
It's
far.
not Berwick. There's like 600 people here.
Yeah, seriously, it's not that big. I want to drink that water right now. I'm so thirsty.
Let's go back, get a drink. And if we want to come back, we can come out and play. Come on.
Or you can just play your Wii.
We could.
Plumber butt.
You
I can't even see my butt at all.
Oh yeah.
You would call that out, Tristan. You would be looking
Okay,
there.
Wes.
I think Dylan's dead.
Yeah, I probably killed him.
Wait, did you get Dylan or did I get Dylan?
Wes, I can see
What?
Did you get
I
Dylan
got
or
him.
did
I got him. I turned around. I mounted.
Oh, yeah, one's back there.
Yes.
So good.
It's a hydration pack. I just use
I
it
need
for
to
all the
dry out
shit.
my
I am.
MP. Look, soaked.
Dude,
doesn't
can I see
matter.
that real quick?
Chef, it doesn't matter if our M4s are soaked. but
No, the M4s have like no seep holes whatsoever.
And
think
the
the
battery
MP
is waterproof.
It's
Doesn't
out of
it?
battery.
Try the trigger finger.
Stop shooting.
It's out of battery. Yes, it's
Yeah. No, it shoots that fast, like actual too.
You can
Stop
probably
shooting, guys.
you can probably semi it fast.
Nate, I know you can hold that, but try holding it for an hour and a half straight.
Yeah, I know. It's so fun though.
It's so beautiful.
Just don't drop it, please.
What are you doing, Wes?
Nate,
Quick, record him. Wesley, record Wesley.
Where's the safety, Zach?
Don't laugh at my pain.
Zach, where's safety?
Hey, I'll show you.
No water got in. No water got inside. It's just the
Where's
exterior.
the safety on it?
did you guys see me charge out at the beginning to get this branch out of the way?
Oh.
The safety's down. You put the safety down without knowing it.
I can't carry by this.
No, don't.
That would
It's
be
too.
awesome.
Yeah, but it's too. That I know that would make it so much lighter.
Chef should use this.
Hey Zach, seriously, if you want to use my MP,
I'm good, man. I think we should play near that tower thing because I need a tower or building for
Yeah,
this.
but that's way too close to the house.
No, you guys are firing to the left of the house. The house is here, then that thing is here. You guys will be firing that way.
No, don't walk there. Don't do that. I stepped in,
That was a good game, guys. That was pretty good.
That was terrible for me.
We just need to figure out the rules because I got
Alright,
Zach
that was
and then
an
he just
awesome
came back
dolphin.
and
I
got
know.
us.
After a minute,
That was cool.
Yeah, but if I knew we were playing mini kids.
I knew I shoot you guys. You guys aren't calling your hits because you're not
no,
feeling
no,
them.
no. We didn't get hit
yeah,
at all.
probably because we can't feel him and we don't.
Take your shirt
We
off.
don't see him. How are you? If you
can't-
can't
I was
call him,
nice.
you
I was
can't feel
nice
him.
and generous to turn down the FPS in this. Now you guys are being
Wait, you
cheap.
turned down the